Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the controls on your form and configuring core properties so the control behaves predictably. Add a progress bar called Progress Bar 1, a button to trigger work, and a label for feedback. Set minimum to 0 and maximum to 100, with step at 1 so increments are consistent. Once done, double-click the button to open the click event. This gives you the entry point to begin updating the progress bar programmatically. Next, implement the loop or background task that advances the progress bar so the UI stays responsive. For short tasks, a for, next with application. Do events can work. For longer operations, use background worker and its report progress method. Inside the update, either call progress bar 1, perform step, or set progress bar 1. Value directly, then update the label text with the percentage. Make sure to marshal calls to the UI thread. Use invoke or the background worker events so you avoid cross-thread exceptions. Finally, ensure your task signals completion and the progress bar reflects 100%. At the end of the work, set progress bar 1. Value to progress bar 1. Maximum, update the label and re-enable buttons or reset controls as desired. If the progress bar never moves or the UI freezes, check for cross-thread updates or a blocking loop on the UI thread. Fix that by moving work to background worker or task. Run and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.